In this section, I'm going to teach you how to create a Claymation and Pixar AI video ad. So to do that, we're going to use this cap as a merge product to do the video's ads. Here in Claude, we have to write something like create a video ad with Claymation and Pixar style for the cap that is in reference products folder. The video have to be like a merge video of the cap that is a cap from the Novopass brand. Ask me if you have any doubts. So now we have to press enter, and now we have to wait a little bit. Perfect. Now Claude is asking us if we want a video per Claymation or per Pixar. I want both videos, so I'm going to choose this option. Now I'm going to choose the recommended option. Here the same, the recommended. And here I'm going to write that I want all. Remember that this cap have text in Spanish. So I want that the AI translate all. I want everything in English. The text in the cap as well. So now let's click here. And now Claude have to analyze all this new information. Perfect. Here we have the plan. Claude is telling us what he will do. That are images with GPT-Image2, videos with sedans. He will do the voiceover, the music, the transcript. And now we just have to approve that. And now we will wait for the result. Perfect. Here, Claude have given me images that will be used to create the videos. This is the Pixar style image of reference. And here we have the Claymation image that will be used as a reference. As you can see, the quality of them are really good. So now let's wait for the final result. Perfect. Here we have the results. So now let's see it.
In Anna's workshop, everything still gets made by hand. Even now, automate, create.
Well, I didn't like it, the voiceover, so then we will change it. But let's see the video completely.
Scale, stitched in, one letter at a time.
There it is.
Two-tone cotton twill, raised black embroidery, made to be worn, not a mock-up, a cap you can actually own.
Well, the ad was really good. I really like it, but the voiceover wasn't really good. So we're going to change it. Change the voiceover to another one, girl, calm voice. So let's press enter. Let's see the other video while Claude do the changes. So let's see it.
In Anna's workshop, everything still gets made by hand. Even now, automate, create, scale, stitched in, one letter at a time.
There it is.
Two-tone cotton twill, raised black embroidery, made to be worn, not a mock-up, a cap you can actually own.
And then you have it. The quality was really good. So now let's wait for the new voice. Perfect. Now let's listen the new voice.
In Anna's workshop, everything still gets made by hand, even now. Automate, create, scale.
Well, as you can see, now the voice is really good. Personally, I like it a lot. And you can try with another voices if you want. As you can see in this other video, we have the same change.
In Anna's workshop, everything still gets made by hand, even now.
And well, we saw before the video, so I'm not going to show you again the video. But if I show you like that, you can see that the video is the same. So well, now you know how to create a Claymation and Pixar AI ad. So see you in the next section.